can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we've taken a look at an altcoin, Solana. Solana is up 10% over the last 1 month. The last 1 week has seen a lot of altcoins showing signs of life. Solana pumped by 4.8% over the last 1 week. Currently trading around $88. In this video, we look at Solana's valuation against the US dollar on a weekly time frame. Is this a good time to buy Solana? How high can Solana go in the coming days and the coming weeks? We look at Solana's valuation against Ethereum, Solana's valuation against Bitcoin, and we also look at Solana's market cap, which sits at the $50 billion region. Can we head back to all-time highs? How high can Solana go? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. So when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Solana's market cap sits at the $50 billion region. Solana has a total supply of 622 million sold tokens. We have 571 million of those tokens in circulation. Solana's all-time high happened on the 19th of January 2025. We saw Solana getting to as high as $294. Right now, Solana is down 70% from that all-time highs. Remember that January in 2025, when Donald Trump launched his meme coin on the Solana network, that turned out to be the all-time highs for Solana. Which begs the million-dollar question: should we still be accumulating Solana? Is there hope for us to pump to the upside? If Solana is going to dump low to Goblin Town, how low can we possibly go? Now let's have a brief history of Solana's price history. Solana was launched sometime in 2019. Solana was one of the biggest gainers in the 2021 bull market. We saw Solana go from a measly price of $0.5, where it was trading in May of 2020. We saw Solana rallying to as high as $250 by the end of the bull market in 2021. That represented a 50,000% pump to the upside. $1,000 invested in Solana right then would have returned over $500,000. A 500x return to the upside is what we're here for. That's why we're buying these altcoins. That's why we want to buy altcoins even when they're down bad in Goblin Town. But you have to buy at the right time. You have to sell at the right time. If you buy at the wrong time, if you buy at the top, the market will force your hand for you to sell at the bottom. That's what happened to the market participants that bought Solana at $250, telling themselves it's going to the moon, it's going to $2,500. It didn't go there, guys. The reverse was the case. The market has two faces. We're either in a bear market or we're either in a bull market. And when Solana went for its first full crypto bear market, we saw it aggressively dumping to Goblin Town. This time around, losing 95% of its value, 97% of its value, which historically has been normal in the cryptocurrency market. The altcoin market just sees 90% dumps as normal. That's just random Tuesday in the altcoin market. So when Solana dumped 97%, some smart investors took advantage of that. They accumulated Solana at $8 level. They accumulated Solana at the $10 level. They believed that there will be higher prices in the future. That was in 2022 when Solana was around $8 to $10. If you're one of those smart investors that accumulated then, the market rewarded you handsomely, because over the next few years after 2022, we saw Solana slowly but surely rise to higher prices till it went to new all-time highs around $294, which represented a 2,600% move to the upside. When the market is bearish, you want to be buying. When the market is bullish, you want to be selling. Historically, this has a very, very good hit rate. Buying when the vibes are down, buying when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market and other market participants are scared, and selling when they are excited is how you win this game. The most volatile market in the world is the cryptocurrency market. The most volatile market in the cryptocurrency market is the altcoin market. So don't be shocked to see these altcoins having huge swings to the upside. Now, since Solana went to that all-time high in January of 2025, we have not seen it break to new all-time highs. We have seen it just go sideways. We have seen Solana first give 60% of its value, recovered it, went back to $250. Right now, Solana trades in that $80 to $90 range, which means it's down 75% from its all-time highs. Can we go higher? Can we set new all-time highs? I'm of the school of thought Solana has been distributing over the last few years. We have seen huge distribution for Solana. The big whales that bought at $8, at $10, they have been selling Solana heavily over the last few years. So I will not be shocked to see lower prices, but I don't think we're going to go down in a straight line. I believe Solana is going to have a retracement rally where we will see it fake a lot of market participants, where we'll see Solana give them one more opportunity to sell at high prices before we eventually dump to Goblin Town. Key levels to watch out for Solana in the coming days and the coming weeks. The $140 level is very, very pivotal. We have seen Solana have numerous price actions around that key price region. So I'll not be shocked, guys, if the $140 level prove to be a huge resistance for Solana in the future. And that key level to watch out for is going to be the previous all-time highs around the $250 to the $290 level. We've seen Solana hit that price region 3 times, and 3 times we fail to conveniently close a weekly candle above the $250 level. These are going to be key levels to watch out for if Solana is pumping to the upside. There's always that possibility that we'll have lower prices. You never want to say never in the altcoin market. Lower prices are just normal. That's the market giving you opportunity to have a good entry. But right now, thankfully, Solana is finding support around that $77 to the $90 level. And if we can find strong support here, our trip to all-time highs will require Solana pumping from where we're currently trading. Require Solana to pump by more than 200%. 200% pump in the cryptocurrency market can happen in the twinkle of an eye. The 200% pump in the cryptocurrency market can simply happen overnight. Crazier things have happened in the cryptocurrency market. You never want to say never. If you're one of those smart investors, you know how to buy low, you want to sell high. You know how to buy when the prices are low so that you sell high. And if you look at Solana's RSI, it's at record levels, it's at record lows. This was exactly where Solana's RSI was in early 2023. When it was trading at $8, when smart investors were accumulating heavily, the market rewarded them for their courage. How high can we possibly get after we go above $290? We can get to $300, $400. That's price discovery for Solana. But the only market participants that will be singing Kumbaya when we get there are those market participants that are buying at lower prices. Again, don't get carried away, guys. There's always that possibility Solana could give us one pump to the upside to fake us. You see something happen like this, Solana will go set new all-time highs. You hear this time is different, we're going to the moon, and boom, then we eventually see the dump to Goblin Town. Because my long-term view on Solana is that the market should give us opportunity to accumulate some Solana around the $10 level, around the $15 region. If you look at Solana's performance against Bitcoin and Ethereum, the last few months have actually been nothing to write home about for Solana. If you look at its performance against the king of the cryptocurrency market, Bitcoin, Solana has had its own time in the sun, outperforming Bitcoin, returning crazy percentages for market participants that held Solana instead of holding Bitcoin. Right now, Bitcoin is still holding its own strong. Right now, Bitcoin is still the king of the market. And over the last few months, we have seen Solana underperform against both Bitcoin and Ethereum. Against both Bitcoin, if you had your investment in Bitcoin over the last few months, you protected your gains. We saw Solana setting new all-time highs against Bitcoin way back in April of 2025. Since then, Solana has dumped to Goblin Town. Solana was setting new all-time highs on its performance against Ethereum in April of 2025. Since then, Solana has dumped. We have seen Solana lose around 53% of its value against Ethereum. Against Bitcoin, still not breaking the 2021 all-time highs. Against Bitcoin, we have still seen a decline. Over the last few months, we have seen Solana dump by around 58%. Now, in case of Solana is very peculiar. I believe smart players have been selling heavily. I believe the next rally is going to be a soccer rally. I believe the next rally will be the market giving an opportunity to sell at higher prices. So how high can we possibly go? Solana could easily outperform Bitcoin, outperform Ethereum by 50 to 100%. Nothing crazy. If you see those pumps, guys, don't get carried away. Don't be that person that is saying we're going to the moon. This time is different. There's always going to be pumps. There's always going to be dumps. And when there's a pump, that's your signal to take away good profits. And when there's a dump, that's your signal to accumulate, getting ready for the next pump. Sentiment is still down bad in the cryptocurrency market. Extreme fear is gripping the market with all coins at record low prices. Historically, that's when the market's giving you good opportunity. That's when the risk to reward favors us. I believe we're going to see altcoin season. Altcoin season is going to happen in 2026. I believe we're going to pump to the moon. If you look at Solana's market cap, If we get to $100 billion, that will be nothing to write home about. We have seen Solana's market cap chill at $100 billion for years right now. I mean, the key level to watch out for, the level that will get the markets moving, that will get us euphoric, is going to be around that $135 to $150 billion level. If the market is kind to us, if Solana can rally back towards $150 billion, that will see a lot of people getting confused, because right now there's a general consensus that we're in a bear market. So Solana rising above $135 billion to set new all-time highs, I believe we're going to see a lot of FOMO in the market, and that will be the most dangerous point in the market. So guys, drop it out in the comment section right now. How high do you see Solana going in 2026? Are you in a school of thoughts that we're dumping to Goblin Town? If you're in that school of thoughts, how low do you see Solana going? Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like this. Turn on the post notification to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. And investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.